The holidays are quickly approaching, which means good food, good company, and coming up with that just right gift for your family and friends. Hey everyone, I'm Spencer with Malibuparts. Boating is not just something to do. For many of us, it's a lifestyle, our escape from the real world to recharge and strengthen relationships with family and friends. This passion runs deep in many of us, which is why you can never go wrong with giving a boating enthusiast a gift centered around boating. Here at Malibuparts, we have so many good options to choose from. We have awesome swag, we have great upgrade parts for your boat, we have cleaning supplies, and so many parts to make your boat like new again. Because we have so many goodies to choose from, we wanted to highlight some of our favorites. My personal favorite are the Skylon racks. These racks have become one of my personal must-haves for the boat. They keep my boards better protected than any rack out there, and they are hands down the easiest to use. They work on any Malibu and Axis tower going back to about 2010. A must-have for the older boats out there is the upgraded auto set wedge. This replaced the first generation manual wedge. The auto set wedge has been designed to free float while underway, maximizing just how big of a wake you can produce with it. Swapping out your old wedge is so easy and can be done in an afternoon. This is a great gift to give someone who is really wanting to upgrade their wake at the best value. An overall favorite we have are the Surfinity boat accessories. We're talking about heated boat blankets, heated towel bag for those chilly mornings, and boat shields to protect your boat from rock chips while trailering. My wife personally loves the heated boat blanket. She won't go boating without it. Need a new cover? What a better way to fuel a boater's passion than providing a gift that will protect their boat when not in use. They do have a lead time, so make sure to plan ahead and order early so it can arrive before the holidays. Want to show off your love of boating? We have some incredible swag and apparel to do just that. Some of our favorites are the Sunsetter pullover, the Malibu Topo hoodie, the Malibu trucker hat, and the Endless Wake tee. We have a large selection of apparel, so make sure to check out all of it at malibuparts.com. Trying to shop for that person who is hard to shop for? No worries. With Malibuparts gift cards, you can let them decide what to buy. They might be so thrilled with it, they might even buy you something. We are so excited for the holidays. There are so many good options to give your loved ones. What we have highlighted here is just a taste. Make sure you explore our website, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel to find all the other goodies we have. We love helping to fuel your passion for life on the water. We are available via chat, phone, and email if you have any questions or need recommendations for that perfect gift idea. Happy holidays, and we can't wait to see you on the water.